How to recover deleted chats on Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Instagram, click on your profile at the bottom right. Then click on three lines at the top right. Then click on your activity. In your activity, scroll down, click on download your information. After that, select download or transfer information at the top. Select your Instagram account and press on next at the bottom. Then select all available information. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on download the device. Now in here select date range, your email, and format should be HTML and press on create files. After you have created files, Instagram will send you file in your email that you have added and will get back to you with your all the chats information, and there you can see deleted chats and recover it. This is how to recover deleted chats on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.